These are today football predictions. We have a game in Italy where AC Milan is taking on Fiorentina, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Move on to Portugal where Academico Viseu is taking on CD Mafra, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals at full time. The next game we have is in Croatia where NK Road is taking on HNK Gorica. My prediction is under 3.5 goals. My name is Samuel. Welcome to Moneyline. Please draw where you are watching us from in the comment section, and also extend greetings to other followers in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video. If you are new to this channel and Facebook page, kindly follow us so you won't miss out on all our predictions on daily basis, and you also have a chance to view our uh, stories and status so that you benefit on all those predictions that we drop there. Okay, guys, moving on, we have a game in Cyprus where AEK Leneka is taking on Aris Limassol. My prediction here is over 1.5 goals. We move on to Oman where Al Khaliya is taking on Al Murad Muharraq, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next game we have is still in that Oman where Citra Club is taking on Al Ali Manana, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. We move on to Turkey Super League where Alliance Sport is taking on Trabzonspor, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. In Bosnia and Slovenia, we have a game between FK Borak Banja taking on NK Gosk Gabela. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. In Turkey Super League, we have a game between Antalya Sport taking on Gaziantep, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. In Poland, we have a game between KS Lecha taking on CWKS Rosevia, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. In Cyprus, we have a game between Apollon Limassol taking on Ni Salamina, and my prediction is under 3.5 goals at full time. We move on to Israel Premier League where Ehud Bene taking on Ironi Taberas, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. In Sweden, we have a game between Heimerby taking on Injalby, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals at full time. Still in that Sweden Super League, we have a game between Otsikens taking on IK Braga. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. We move on to Romania, where CS University taking on Rapid, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. In Poland, we have a game between RKS Radomiak Radom taking on FKS Stal Meliak, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. In Israel Super League, we have a game between Opel Beersheva taking on Beitar Jerusalem, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. In Netherlands, we have a game between Don Bosch taking on FC Groningen, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. This game should be in Hungary. Let me confirm the league for you. Um, yes, Hungary Division 2. A game between Nerija Spartakos taking on Sarossa FC, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The last game we have here is in Northern Ireland, where Dundalk is taking on Sligo Rovers, and my prediction is over 2.5, over 1.5 goals rather. And that gives us a total of 20 matches, 108 odds. So I believe this game will bring profit to us. So let's bet responsibly. I will share with you the booking code for this game for those people using Sportybet, and also share with you the 1xBet code, and I will go ahead and stake my own so that you know that I also play this game. I'm using Bedouiner to stake today game, and I will stake today game with let's say 30,000 naira. So bet responsibly, don't bet like me. Do not borrow to beg. That is the honest advice I can give you. So I stake my own with 30,000 naira to win. How much? Let me check the ticket. Okay, to win 1 million, 1 million 49,000 naira. Okay, I wish you guys good luck, and then let's go and convert this game to one is bet users. So if you are using one is bet, and this is the booking code for you. Anywhere you are in the world, you can use this booking code to play this game. For all the one is bet users, please, if you have not liked this video, this is the opportunity to just like this video while you're waiting for the code to convert. It might take some time to convert this code, so just be patient. Drop your own bookmaker in the comment section so that I'll convert this code for you tomorrow. This is the booking code for all the OneXBet users anywhere you are in the world. This is their global code, GYCN7. So that is it. Let me go back to Sporty so that those Sporty guys can see the booking code. This is the booking code for Sporty Bet users. And let me try and convert this to Bet Niger if it's available. So this is the booking code for Bet Niger users, and I don't know why it's saying it. So let's just end this video here.